Today we have the chicken and wine. Hi everyone, buongiorno a tutti. Today we got some friends coming over. I am going to cook pollo con vino alla cacciatore. In English, chicken in wine, which is a very simple recipe, quick. That's allowed, I've done it for many times, I do love. We're going to put some oil, always extra virgin oil. So first thing I'm going to put in, this is probably not a very large onions, because with this dish you need plenty onions. Here I got 4 or 5 bay leaves, some parsley, just to let it fry a little bit, so that the flavor can go through the oil. Okay, now I'm going to put my chicken in. Ginger salt on each one. And then I got some pepper. I would like to put the chili in, but nobody can eat the chili here, so I'm going to use the pepper. What I'll do, I'll let it cook a bit one side, then I'll turn it the other side. And when everything starts to look dry, I will put a fair bit of wine in. Then I will turn them over. So now it's the time to put the wine in. You don't have to use an expensive wine, but preferably white wine. No red wine. It's much better. I'll probably put 1/4 of this bottle. Okay. 1/4. Now, later on, when I let it cook slowly now, and when things will start to dry up again, I will put probably another 1/4, and then I'll cook a real on slow flame. So now I've got to add more wine, because everything is starting to dry up. Because this actually is going to cook in wine. But later on, when it's just about cooked, I will add a bit of water, have a bit of juice. I used half a bottle of wine. Yeah, I won't put any more wine. Add some water, probably a glass. And now you can see it's cooked. We're going to switch it off. Okay, we're going to try some now. We'll just get this small piece here. We're going to put some onions over the top. Look at it. So this dish here, you can have with salad, mashed potato, peas. Alright, now we're going to try the chicken. We'll see what taste we got. It is delicious, because you got the flavor of the onions and the wine. Delicioso, beautiful.